Good morning. Choc hazelnut gelato.
I am going actually insane and I don't know what to do.
Oh, gorgeous.
That is the soundtrack to my life at the moment.
It is currently Saturday. We've just come to this beach that's meant to be like the flattest beach, but still a little bit of waves. But Rowan's just got his new foil board and there's like seals jumping around him, and I think I even saw a dolphin at one point. So cool. Welcome to my car where I cannot find a spot to put you, where the lighting isn't absolutely horrendous. Welcome back to a weekly vlog. Hi. I had the best day yesterday. We had our Sunday spread. If you haven't seen my last vlog, the whole video is basically about how to host it, what I did, the things I sent to the group chat, the playlist, the food, literally everything. So definitely go watch that one if you haven't already. But it is a new week. I have just finished some lunch because I need food in my system because I'm about to go get a blood test and they're taking 9. Oh, I just hate this part of pregnancy. But look at me complaining once again. Let's not complain. That's all I'm going to say about that. I don't even know why I turned the camera on, to be honest. I don't really have anything to say. Basically just hi. Welcome back to another week, another weekly vlog. Not sure what I'll get up to this week. I have just done a cookie delivery, so that one is all done and out of the way. I'm currently up at a lookout and I just saw someone climb up the wall. Like the wall leads down the hill and I just saw someone climb up it. That was a bit weird. Today has not been a very fun day. I am trying to train the dogs, and also equally, I guess you could say, I'm trying to train my nervous system to be okay with the dogs not behaving. Because if I have a newborn soon and I can't even handle the dogs now without a newborn, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if it's just because I'm pregnant, but I am so much more irritable and it is driving me absolutely insane. Like, I got my blood test yesterday and after a blood test I'm just not doing well, and it's trickled into today. Like, I'm still not feeling great because they took so many tubes, and so I've decided to spend the morning out of the house because the dogs have already been awful to each other twice, where I've had to lock them in their cages. I don't know what else to do. And when I went to feed them breakfast, we have their dog food in one of the bottom drawers, and so I normally pull the drawer out, I scoop the things, I put it in their bowl. But Ziggy just went straight for the massive tub of food this morning. It might be something about this morning where the dogs are just not in a very good mood, but I took them up to this lookout. We did a little walk. Like, I can't walk much right now. I am very pregnant, and just the constant squeaking in the background, and whenever they see a dog they just go crazy and I am losing my mind. I am going actually insane and I don't know what to do. So today I'm trying to train myself and the dogs, but it's not working. I feel like I'm at my wit's end. butcher haul and I'm so excited. I went to my OB yesterday and she got all my blood work back and my iron is low. Shocker. I feel like I had low iron as a teenager at one point. Anyway, instead of iron tablets, I got a whole bunch of steaks and I'm very excited. First I got this steak rub, kind of because of the jar, not gonna lie. I think this will taste very, very good on the steaks as well, but I'm just really loving collecting jars at the moment, which honestly is not a very fun, well, it's fun for me, I don't know. I've just got a whole bunch of jars because I'm making sourdough. My sourdough, she's doubled and bubbled. This starter was sitting in the fridge in a small jar, another one I collected, in the fridge for months because it's been way too hot and my sourdough goes moldy in one day from being in this kitchen. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna wait till the weather cools down a little bit. And I did this yesterday and it rose perfectly. Like, oh, the smell, the amount of bubbles. I'm so excited. Anyway, let's get to the steaks. I got 2 kilos of lamb chops for the slow cooker, so that should give us like 4 meals. I think these are more lamb chops as well. I should have looked when he was putting them in the bags, but we got 4 Scotch fillet and 4, I was gonna get ribeyes, but I had to get something else. I think I got sirloin. 4 Scotch fillet, 4 sirloins. Yum! I think these long ones were the extras. So the long ones are sirloins and the chunkier looking ones are Scotch fillet. And then I just got 1 kilo mince, 1 kilo mince. Both beef for Rowan's spaghetti because he uses 1 kilo when he does his meal prep every Sunday. So we got 2 Sundays worth. We have just finished our gift card, which was the main reason we were going to the butcher. But it's such good quality meat, so we'll probably continue going. That's my haul and the boys get the bag. Just finished filming one of my shorts. I'm doing a little series about how long does everything actually take because I feel like I'm just putting everything off. I'll link the series here somewhere if I can. But my camera died and I'm doing something interesting for a change, which is exciting. I've just made our 2 ice creams for the week. Oh, that's why I'm on my phone. If this clip look or sounds a bit weird, it's because I'm on my phone. I've made my vanilla Ninja Creamy for the weekend, Rowan's cinnamon bun creamy, and I'm trying a new one. It's a gelato. So it's like a choc hazelnut gelato and it's just got hazelnut spread, egg yolks, sugar, cream, milk, vanilla. And I'm just soaking her in a little ice bath, and then I'm gonna pop it in the freezer and they're all gonna be ready in 24 hours and I'm so excited. Also, for my Sunday spread, I forgot to show you the lemonade things. So also, I have so many things going on right now. I was like, oh, I really want a snack. Let's make a Milo. I'm like, you know what? I'll get one task done first. I'll make the ice creams, then I can have my Milo. And now I'm doing a whole gelato and it's all just happening. The lemonade, I forgot to show you. These were the little tubs that we used. Ew, I think my camera's greasy. Sorry about that. They've just been sitting out here for a couple of days and every time we have a little drink, we just put ice with them and it's perfect. So I'm thinking maybe once a week, I'll make a fun little drink that we can just have on tap. How fun would that be? My sourdough reveal. Gorgeous. Before we head to the lake, I'm just gonna do us up some toast. See how it looks in the middle. How good does that look? Oh my goodness. Although it is a bit squishy. Normally a lot of the time it's like hard on top, but this time not so much. Not sure what I did there. It's probably the fluffiest sourdough I've ever made though, which is really cool. I couldn't decide, so I did one toasted and one untoasted. This one is the fresh. I wasn't sure how this one was going to work out because it's been in the fridge for a couple of months. Now toasted with butter. So good. And I've just put the chili jam spread on Rowan's 2 slices, the one that I got from Sunday Spread. Honestly, I wish I liked chili because that kind of looks good, but I know it would just taste awful. It's Saturday morning once again. I'll spare you the crying, I won't be long, but basically we're just on our way to the lake. Rowan's going to do a few hours on the foil board. I'm going to sit with the dogs, have the best time. Everyone's going to be on their best behaviour. And on the way we're going to listen to Noah Kahan's new album, The Great Divide. It's going to be a good day, manifesting.
In the background, that is the soundtrack to my life at the moment. I will see you next week. Hopefully in a better headspace when it comes to all of this squeaking. I cannot deal with it. I'm not in the mindset today or this week. It's just constant. Anyway, thank you so much for watching another week in my life, and I'll see you next week.